In this video, I will show you how to make this cute crochet bow you can use as a hair bow or to decorate your bags or any other accessory. Let's get started. To make this bow, I will use fine acrylic yarn Melissa Cool and 4mm crochet hook, but feel free to use any yarn and crochet hook you want, scissors and needle. Start making a slip knot, and I will make a chain of 46. Here we go, a chain of 46, and now we will work into the third chain from our hook, but not in the chain, but in this back bump. So yarn over, and we will work here in the back of the third chain from the hook, and we will make a half double crochet. Okay, and we will repeat one half double crochet in every back bump of our chain to the end of this row number 1. I'm making my last half double crochet in this last space, and this is how it looks like. You have to stretch it a little bit to have a straight row. Okay, now I will chain 2. This chain of 2 we will not count as a stitch. Turn your work, and starting from the first place, again we will make a row of half double crochet. So we will just work half double crochet to the end. Again we will chain 2, turn our work, and make exactly the same. We will work like this until the row number 4. So after this one I'm making right now, we'll make 2 more rows of half double crochets. So keep going, and I will show you after row number 4 what to do next. Okay, so after row number 4, this is what we have. I will make my last half double crochet, chain 1, and I've already cut the yarn. Leave long tail, because with this one we will sew all the parts together. Okay, so our first part, the main one, is ready, and now we will start to make our second part. So once again we will start making a slip knot, and we will make exactly the same like as previously, so a chain of 46. Here we go, our new chain of 46, and exactly the same as before in the third chain from the hook, so first, second and third, this one, but on the back we will work half double crochets in every back bump to the end of this first row. So we'll keep working half double crochet to the end of this row. And the last one. Okay, again we have this little spiral, we have to stretch it. Now again chain 2, turn your work, and we will make half double crochet in the first stitch, and in the next one yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up the yarn, yarn over, and pull through only 2 loops. So right now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up the yarn, yarn over, and pull through all 4 loops. Okay, so this is what we have. we made a decrease. And now, since the next stitch, we will make just 1 half double crochet in each stitch to the end until we have 3 stitches left. Okay, so I have here 3 stitches left. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through only 2 loops, and now again yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook, and the last stitch we will just work half double crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now again chain 2, turn your work, and we will repeat the same. So in the first stitch we will work just half double crochet, but we will make a decrease in the next ones. So again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through just 2, and yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through all 4. Okay, so right now you can see that this part is shorter than this one, and this is exactly what we want. Again, we will work just half double crochet to the end until we have 3 stitches left. Again, only 3 stitches left. So in the first one we will yarn over, insert your hook, pull only through 2 loops, and in the next one we will pull through all 4 and half double crochet in the last one. So here again you can see that this side is shorter than this one, and we will repeat 1 more row. So chain 2, turn, half double crochet in the first one, and in the next one we will pull through only 2 loops, and here we will pull through all 4 loops. And our last row of half double crochet until we have again 3 stitches left. And this will be our last time of decreasing. 3 stitches left, as you can see. Here only through 2 loops, and here through all 4. And in the last stitch we will make a half double crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. We don't have to leave a long tail because we will just weave in these 2 tails. And this is what we have. And we still have to make 1 more piece. So once again we will make a slip stitch, and this time we will make a chain of 16. And exactly the same way as before, we will make half double crochet starting from the back bump of the 3rd chain, like this, and we will work half double crochet to the end of this chain. I'm making my, right now will be my last half double crochet. Okay, stretch it a little bit, chain 2, turn the work, and we will repeat the same. A row of half double crochet, and as we want to have all the pieces the same size, so we will work like this until finish the row number 4. So after this one, again chain 2, turn your work, a row of half double crochet, and repeat the same 1 more time to have a total of 4 rows. And after the last half double crochet of the row number 4, chain 1, and cut the yarn, leaving quite long tail to sew. All the pieces are done, and now it's time to join everything to create a bow. So here we go, all the pieces. We will start with the first one we made, this one with straight edge. Okay, so we take this part, fold it into half, and with this long tail we will sew these two parts together. So I have my needle on, and right now just stitch by stitch we will sew these two parts. It doesn't matter if it's perfect because you will not see it later. And obviously, if you prefer, you can crochet it also. Okay, here we can just make a knot with this short tail we started. Cut the yarn, flip it, and this is what we have. And obviously we will have our bow like this. So this part is ready. Now we will take this second part we made with these edges, and here we will just weave in these two tails. So I will just hide these tails inside this piece. Okay, and cut the rest. And repeat the same on the other side. Okay, so our second piece is done, and now we will have to join everything with the small one we made. So here we will have this main piece here with this longer part on the bottom, this one. So we will place it like this, okay, in the center. And now with this small part we will just put it on the top, okay, like this, and we will sew it from the back. This small part is a little bit too big, too long, but as you can see, because of it, it's easier to join everything. And I try to sew also these parts inside, so not only this small one, but also trying to sew these bigger ones I have inside. And in a moment I will show you the effect. Okay, so weaving all the rest of the ends, you still have to weave in, and you have to collocate a little bit bow, and it's ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.